Plan Amendment Nomination PC 19-MV-007 concerns property located at the northeast corner of the intersection of Belle View Boulevard and Fort Hunt Road in the northern portion of the Mount Vernon Supervisor District as highlighted in the graphic. The 16-acre subject site comprises the Belle View Shopping Center, which includes a grocery store, retail and restaurant uses totaling approximately 182,000 square feet. A Fairfax County stormwater management control facility is located in the northeasternmost portion of the site. The subject area is surrounded by single-family detached homes to the west and north, low-rise multifamily uses to the east, and commercial uses to the south. Adjacent properties are planned for residential uses at densities of 2 to 3 dwelling units per acre, 3 to 4 dwelling units per acre, and 16 to 20 dwelling units per acre. Approximately 1/2 of the subject property is shown on county environmental maps as located within a resource protection area and floodplain. There are 2 stormwater channels in proximity to the site. One abuts the property on the northern property line and the other on the eastern property line. The current comprehensive plan recommends retail and other commercial uses on the plan map for the subject property within the MV4 Wellington Community Planning sector. There is no site-specific plan text. The subject area is designated on the concept for future development as suburban neighborhoods. These areas contain a mix of residential uses with limited community supporting retail, public facilities, and institutional uses. The plan recommends that infill development in this area should be of a compatible use type and intensity with surrounding areas. The nomination proposes mixed-use development consisting of mid-rise multifamily residential, office, and retail uses with a maximum building height of 5 stories and an intensity of 1.2 to 1.5 floor area ratio. The justification states that the large surface parking lot is an underutilization of the property given its location, and that it has the potential to develop as a mixed-use neighborhood while prolonging its retail and personal service uses focus and adding both office and residential uses for a complete live-work environment. The proposed intensity would be appropriate in development centers such as the Richmond Highway Corridor area that are planned for more intense development and provide high-frequency transit service that enable residents to rely less upon single occupancy vehicle travel. The proposed intensity in a suburban neighborhood raises significant compatibility concerns. The proposed site layout and building form also do not appear to consider other comprehensive plan objectives that seek to minimize the exposure of new development to the potential for flood impacts and prohibit new residential structures within flood impact hazard areas. For these reasons, staff recommends that PC 19-MV-007 should not be added to the 2020 Comprehensive Plan Amendment Work Program as proposed.